Welcome back. In part 2 of our Bali journey, we leave the jungles of Ubud for the rugged southern coast, the dramatic Bukit Peninsula. High above the Indian Ocean, the path to Uluwatu Temple offers some of the most spectacular coastal views on the planet. Pura Luhur Uluwatu is one of Bali's 6 key sea temples, standing as a spiritual guardian on the edge of the world. The sheer scale of these cliffs is a testament to the raw power of nature, carved over millennia by the relentless sea. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. A short trek through the grassy slopes leads us to Karang Boma, a hidden gem offering a more rugged, raw perspective. Standing here, on this narrow rocky ledge, you truly feel like you've reached the very edge of the world. The sound of the surf below is a constant, powerful rhythm, a reminder of the untamed energy surrounding this island. The descent to Nyang Nyang Beach is a challenge, but the reward is one of Bali's most secluded and pristine shores. Isolated by the cliffs, this beach remains a sanctuary of peace, with only the sound of the singing sand underfoot. Among the driftwood, you'll find the rusted remains of shipwrecks, now a canvas for local artists and a symbol of the sea's history. Walking along this remote stretch of coast, the bustle of modern Bali feels like a world away. From below, the limestone walls feel even more monumental, a wall of emerald green rising out of the white sand. As the sun begins its final descent, we make our way back up to the temple for a Balinese tradition like no other. The Kekek fire dance is performed in an open-air theater with the setting sun as its shifting, natural backdrop. No instruments are used here. Instead, a chorus of 70 men creates a hypnotic rhythm with their voices alone. The performance tells the story of Prince Rama and his quest to rescue Princess Sita, a tale of love, loss, and bravery. The monkey god Hanuman brings both drama and humor to the stage, captivating the audience as the light fades. As the sky turns deep violet, the fire dance begins. A circle of burning coconut husks lights up the night. The climax is a display of spiritual invincibility as the performer walks through the flames, scattering sparks into the indigo sky. In the quiet that follows, the temple stands silent once more, a timeless sentinel over the Indian Ocean. Uluwatu is a place of deep contrasts, where sacred ancient stones meet the untamed power of the sea. Our journey continues. In part 3, we'll move from the rugged south to the peaceful shores of Sanur and the iconic Tanah Lot. Thank you for joining us for the second part of our Bali walking tour. The final chapter awaits. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.